Hello, welcome, my people. Welcome back to Alert Traders. Um, Today is a special day, I guess. Today, what we're basically going to do is that we are going to analyze the market on a monthly basis. We're going to analyze the market. We're going to explain or learn about what to expect this month on the boom and crash market. So, kindly pay attention to what's going to happen here. This video is not going to be long, it's just a short video for what you should expect this month. So, I think you should all pay attention. If you're watching this video, pay attention. Okay, so let's go straight to what's happening. But then before then, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly do so for more good content like this and other ones that I've already produced. If you haven't watched my other videos, kindly do so. Thank you. Well, probably we should start from the boom market, the boom 500. This is the boom 500, and this month we all know it has traded than any other market. It has traded than any other market, guys. Even though it's very volatile, it spikes here and there, but then it trades, my people, it trades. So see what happened. This is for the previous month. Okay, actually it's in a downtrend. It's in a downtrend. On the long term, it's been on a downtrend for a while. Okay, so if you do the analysis well, you see that it's in a downtrend. We have the three types of trend. We have the uptrend, the downtrend, and the range. And this is clearly not ranging. It's in a downtrend in the long term. Okay, so last month it actually traded. If you look at the candlestick, it's actually traded, and this month it has also traded. Okay, it has also traded. So what we should expect this month, actually, most of the time it will need a little pullback, because these two candlesticks are very bearish. Okay, so it will definitely need a little pullback before it can continue. So if you check for a previous record, you can see that whenever it trade like that, like here it traded this little one, and this big one, this huge candlestick, and this little one, and it had to pull back. It had to pull back before it could continue like that, and with these two it had to pull back. So what you should expect is a little pullback from here, or a bigger pullback, dependent. But then I'm expecting a bigger pullback, since these previous 2 months it has traded like that. I'm expecting a bigger pullback from the boom 500. Okay, so probably the scalpers, maybe the scalpers, you should be careful. How you can benefit from this video is that you should be careful when you are trading the boom 500. If you want a normal trade, maybe as the video go on, you can see where to place your normal trade. But if you are catching spike, then this will be the best one, the best market for you. Boom 500 will be the best market for you if you trade the spikes. Okay, so probably if those who are trading the huge capital, if you can make your buy here, yes, you can make a buy here, and at this price, and hopefully by the end of the month you could catch some profit here. You could catch some profit here, around here. Okay, you could catch some profit, because definitely this month is going to spike more. It's going to go up more. So probably you can make your buy here, and you may, if not capture the whole spike, a bigger spike. Okay, all right. So that's that for the boom 500, and that's what you should expect. Actually, that's what you should expect. You should expect a lot of spike this time, and the bigger spikes, okay? Because this market has traded for the past 2 months, and definitely it has to pull back. It has to breathe. The market has to breathe before it continue its downtrend. Okay, so that's that. So let's check the boom thousand. Boom thousand actually it spikes more than boom 500, but a lot of people don't know. You see, it's been an uptrend. It's been on uptrend. The boom thousand has been on uptrend since, and you can see it here. It's clear. It's been an uptrend, not in a range, and it's not in a downtrend. It's in an uptrend. Okay, all right. So yeah, if as you can see, the history is clear. It spike more and it trade less. It spike more and it trade less. So it spiked here from here to here, about 4 months or so, and you got this little candlestick, doji candlestick, and this huge pullback this month. Okay, so it means this month the boom thousand traded a lot. Okay, because this candlestick is very huge. So the probability that this spike is just a pullback is very high, and the market is going to trade spike higher. It has traded, and I'm expecting the market to push higher. So probably and already where it is previous resistance, then support. As you can see clearly, previous resistance, then support. So probably that's that. I believe it has hit the previous resistance, and it tested it as support, so it's going to spike higher. So we should expect more spikes from boom 1002. So when you are trading it, if you want to trade this market, you have to be very careful. But when you are trading for spike, then I guess this is your month of spike. So yeah, sure, it will be good for you. Now let's analyze the crash market. Like I said, it's going to be very swift. We're not going to spend a lot of time here. Oh, kindly bear with me. I have to clean delete the line so that you can see it clear. Okay, yeah, it's already started. Okay, so my people, as you can see, it's not in a strong downtrend, but it's been on a downtrend. When you look at the crash 500, it's been on a downtrend, even though it's not that strong downtrend. You may say it's in a weaker trend. Okay, we have strong trend, healthy trend, and then a weak trend. Okay, and I believe this is very weak trend. Okay, because if you see as you can see, the pullbacks are very deep and bigger. Okay, even though it's trying to be on the downtrend. Yeah, so this month, as you can see here, this past month, yeah, it spiked. So we should expect more. It actually traded. Okay, so we should expect a little spikes from the crash 500 market. We should expect little crashes from the crash 500, but then it's going to be very volatile. Like it's going to trade and spike. So it's a free market. It's a free market for this month. It's a very free market. Okay. Because it's in a kind of range, even though it's in a downtrend, it's very weak. So this month you can, it is the best market if you want to do your normal trading and catch the spikes as well. So it will be very good for you if you want to be in these markets. If you want a cool market to be, I believe you should look at the crash 500, because yeah, sure, because it's going to be very volatile. That's what I'm expecting. Okay. All right. So let's go to crash 1000. Okay, there is a crash 1000, and as you can see, it's in a recap trend also. It's in a recap trend. Yeah. Well, so it means it actually trade more than it spikes. Okay, it's actually trade more than it spikes. Okay, and last month it traded, I mean this past month it actually traded. Okay, so this month too is gonna be volatile. I believe it's gonna drop. I believe this market is gonna drop. Actually, it's gonna drop. I believe it's gonna spike down. It's gonna spike down. So if you are in the crash 500, crash 1000, sorry, you should expect a little drop down. Okay, so it's gonna spike down, and I believe it will close in a spike candlestick. Okay, it's gonna close in a spike candlestick. So those that do place monthly trade, you can make a sell here. You can make your sell here at this price action, and then you take profit you can take profit in the middle of it. You can take profit in the middle of it. Okay, use this as a reference point, the lowest as a reference point, and take profit in the middle of it. It's as simple as that. I believe it's going to spike down or lower, okay, before it can take off. All right, because it's been weak. It's been in a weak uptrend, so there's definitely going to be a huge pullback, and I expect the pullback. Okay. All right, so basically that is that. Kindly subscribe to the channel if you haven't. I will talk to you soon. May the market be with you. I wish you well. Take care, my people. All right, bye.